Okay, here goes another daily rant, and it's about my water invention and the how vibrating it repairs the DNA in the body, removes the scar tissue in my body, replaces it with normal tissue. Um, it's also healing the heart. Not completely. It takes a long time. I think that's the downside of the invention, if there is one, is that it takes years to work, which is, it makes certain sense because in reality, it takes you years to grow old. So I've been drinking the vibrated water for 5 years, and it's transformed my DNA of the blood in the bone marrow from a 55-year-old to a 20-year-old. That's great news, except I can't sell it. You see, without a human study, without having $20 million to actually build, and execute an 8,000 people study as required by the FDA in human trials, I cannot claim in a commercial what I invented. I have to have proof. No, not just proof. I have to have extraordinary proof. I have that. But it's pretty sad that I have the proof and I have evidence. Not just evidence in photographs, but DNA studies, echocardiograms, valid scientific methods of testing, and still no call from Shark Tank. And no interest. It's pretty sad. And it's really a establishment bias. I mean, people are really conditioned nowadays to actually believe in establishments. Like, the only way a health invention can be created is through a health company or a established university doing human trials, instead of having leeway for an out of the blue inventor like myself. It's become only those places, and it's establishment bias, which is a type of conditioning, I guess. And it's not that it, how do I explain this? See, the reason why it's gone this far to establishments of health, university studies, doctors are only people that can actually make medical claims on inventions, is because in the 1900s, when electricity first started use, there were massive amounts of invention that claimed all sorts of health benefits. This was what they call the, I don't know if it's voodoo medicine or, I don't remember the name of it, but basically it's all quackery. Right, the quacks were running around town selling products that killed the pain in the body. Yeah, except it was cocaine. you know, except nowadays they legalize heroin into a legal product and then got millions addicted, but that's another story. So the rant is basically, if you have an invention that's not inside the expectations of established norms, it's not even reviewed anymore. It doesn't matter if I use and have posted on my Facebook page the testing results showing that my claims have validity. And it's just frustrating. But hey, as I said, I'm going to live another 150 to 200 years. So we'll see what happens then. Too bad I can't sell it as is. It's just a shame.